Dear fam, good morning. I'm on the bike, not the bike, the treadmill, going through Rome today. Nice walk around the Colosseum to get the day going. Of course, yesterday was like literally the only day in weeks I was not symptomatic and short of breath all day. And yeah, that's how that goes. So I'm not gonna run because I can't shower, but I'm just gonna do a quick walk, get the heart rate up so I can have a good full reading, and yeah, get the day going. I changed my mind. We're gonna run. Whoop, whoop. There we go. That's what I want them to see. On our way to the eye doctor. I love the eye doctor. I just went a few months ago, but I have new vision plan for the year with the new job, so I'm gonna go again because I've been wanting to go to this particular eye doctor, which is like right behind Disney, because they do much more comprehensive testing, including depth perception, and I'm really convinced that I have bad depth perception, and that's why I walk into everything. So we're gonna find out. And Andrew's gonna get his eye exam done for when's the last time he got an eye exam done?
Like 2018.
2018? Yay! Study completed. Please remove electrodes and return device to your provider. So this gas station right here, when Andrew and I were looking for a house to move into, we were looking in this area a lot, and we pulled into this gas station. We were parked literally like right there on the side, and there was a guy parked next to us who was in a really nice suit, and he had a pet squirrel on his shoulder. Just like feeding it, like just had a squirrel on his shoulder, was like feeding it, and we were like, what the hell? So now every time we pass that gas station, we're like, squirrel gas station. Right by the eye doctor, and you can see the castle right there in the distance. It's literally right behind Magic Kingdom. See, like, we're right there. And this is a cast member parking for Magic Kingdom. Just left the eye exam, and now we are driving. There's the Grand Floridian, which means that the Poly will be right up here. Let's see. I've never been on back here.
It's like the access road.
Yeah. Ugh. Stupid Poly Tower. Look how close it is to the Grand Floridian. Oh, there's a bunch of construction over here. What are they putting over here?
Parking?
Maybe.
Because you're going to need more parking for this DVC.
This is the DVC tower they're building at the Poly, and it looks horrible. So angry about this.
Yeah, it's like the color scheme is the same, but it doesn't look.
No, like that's the Poly right there.
Yeah.
This looks like a f***ing Marriott. I'm just heated about it. Guess where we are?
Epcot.
It's not Lowe's.
It's Disney, Amanda's other favorite place.
Hi. There you go, buddy. You're good. Yeah, we made it in here. Let's see. This is the indicator if Epcot is busy or not. 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. That's busy. Usually this is a walk-on. That's what you do to see if it's going to be a busy day. Look at this lunch. Sweet. Is it good? We each got a chicken sandwich with some fries, and then I added on a Liège waffle to mine. Looks delicious. We're in Connections Eatery. It's busy. I'm glad that we mobile ordered. What'd you just get?
Apple pie chicken.
Yum. It tastes literally like apple pie.
That's nuts. Chicken was mediocre.
Yeah, chicken was just okay. The festival chicken was much better. I'm glad I got the waffle.
Good.
Gonna go to the creation shop and see what new merch we have. Anything Halloween?
Morgan, look at the t-shirt they had.
Yeah, that's you.
Oh, yeah.
That's you.
Okay, $200 later. Got some merch. Look at these gears. Jack, Sally. On the back we have, is it Lock, Stock, and Barrel?
Yep, and the mayor and the doctor.
Oh, love it. And the bow comes off, so you could wear it too.
But I won't.
I love it. This just opened. This is our first time seeing it. Communicore Hall. Literally been under construction for like 5 years. It's like, it's supposed to be like an add-on to like festivals and stuff.
Yeah.
Festival favorites? Is that what that says? Yep.
You need your eyeglasses. You're blind.
I know. A stage. So what do they have over here? Oh. Beverages.
You're welcome. Elevator.
So like when the festival's open, this will just be like a booth basically?
Yes, this will be changing up. We don't know what menu,
Okay.
but this will be changing to a kiosk different
Okay.
for different food. And then you're gonna have a kiosk inside the community hall
Oh, okay.
area too.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Encanto. See you later. Hi. I make friends everywhere I go. Toodles. Andrew's surprising me and taking me somewhere.
Oh, good.
We're only 19 minutes away and we live an hour, so we're going somewhere.
We're going the wrong direction.
Yeah, we're going east towards Orlando. That girl's putting makeup on her while she's driving. Where are we going? Oh, characters in flight! 2, 1. There it is! Characters in flight. Pretty. Traffic. Yay! I think I figured it out.
Good job.
Are we going to Bass Pro?
Yes.
Yeah! I love this Bass Pro. It's huge. Hello. Oh, here he goes.
You make me so nervous with your phone.
I know. This one doesn't like me. Hello. Oh no! We made a spontaneous pit stop at the Congo River journey area.
You're up. Cheater. Already cheating. Amanda has to pop using one hand.
All right. Ready? Start.
Which one are you going for?
I don't know. Whichever one I get. That one. No, neither. Okay, winner. First place goes to Mr. Andrew Story.
Was there any doubt?
Yes. 50 points to Andrew. Here's his first place medal. In second place, yours truly with 54 points. My second place medal. I mean, honestly, I didn't lose by that much.
You did not.
Doing some hibachi tonight.
Yeah.
Making some veggies, and then this is gonna be our fried rice. Look at you. It looks like fried rice.
I know.
Teriyaki chicken. Straight teriyaki sauce. Andrew's fried rice with egg. Wow, that looks delicious. You happy?
Yes.
Good. Look at how delicious.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
I love it.
Good. You did a great job.
Oh, thank you.
All right, fam. Thank you for following along today. We did a lot today. We went to the eye doctor. We went to Epcot. I bought a ton of merch, which I will show later. We went mini golfing, Bass Pro, Hibachi. What a day. 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, we made the most of today. Hope you enjoyed hanging out, and we will see you tomorrow. Good night, fam. Love you.